is Jace, and welcome back to
NYC Family TV. And what we're gonna do?
And today we're gonna unbox this flying camera.
Yes, we're gonna unbox this flying camera, also known as the Mavic Mini Fly Cam Fly More combo.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is gonna be our first drone, and they do have a basic package, but we bought the Fly More combo because they have the extra batteries. And what else? They have the propeller guard 360,
Yeah.
the drone, the remote control, and also the carrying case for
and 3 batteries.
Correct.
Okay, so it's time to unbox this boy.
Yes, this bad boy, yes. We're gonna unbox it now, so let me just open the sides carefully. Let's do this. That's kind of little. There we go, I got it. Bingo.
Take out the tape.
Okay, now put this back in my pocket. And here we got our fresh first drone, guys.
There.
That's it. All right. As
Look,
you can see,
Mavic
guys,
Mini. Here we go.
Fly More combo. All right.
Fly
So
More
let's see. Oh, I forgot one piece, guys.
One piece.
Right here in the middle. And
Do
bingo.
Bingo!
We're
What's
here.
his name, Mo?
There we go, guys.
There you go.
The moment for truth. Look at that. A nice
Case.
DJI case, carrying case. And I don't know what's this, but we're gonna check this out. So let's
Well,
put
it's
this on the
a little
side.
box.
What else is inside?
There's another little box.
Yeah, a lot of boxes. So let's put that on the side.
This could be something.
This is pretty heavy. Probably these are the batteries.
Yeah, they could be batteries because they show batteries there.
Yeah, you're right. So these are the batteries, as you can see.
There's the plug.
This is the plug. And probably this is like a software or something.
Software.
Yeah. And that's it.
That's it.
Alright, let's put it to the side. There you go, guys.
Side.
Take a good look of it. Yep. Okay, guys, so we have the whole Mavic Mini set up here. Let's open this box. See what's this about. I don't know what's this.
There could be instructions.
Yeah, it is. It's a quick start guide, yeah.
Yes,
It is
guide.
so yeah, you're right, Jace. This is the instructions. Quick guide of the Fly More combo. So let's just put that on the side.
Put that there.
What's this here?
It could be the plug.
Well, it shows like a battery sign, so I'm guessing these are. Yes, they are. They are the batteries.
The battery.
So the Fly More combo package, guys, comes in 3 batteries.
3 batteries.
Yeah. There we go. I got the last one.
Last
So
one.
they can see that they got the 3 batteries there, guys.
It looks like they're made out of clay.
Yeah, for now, so
It looks like clay.
yeah. So let's put that on the side. Now we know we have the 3 batteries, the manual, and this is the wall charge. And it says
So let me
DJI.
show.
That's awesome.
Wow. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay, so that's what's inside there. Okay, so we're gonna open up this big box, this big boy. Ah, okay, so these are the propeller guards.
Oh.
This is to protect the propellers. Let's open this up so these guys can see.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Here we go. It's like a little plastic. Very nice and gentle. Look at that, guys. Let me put that on top of that box. Let's open up this one. Yeah, let's open up the other one. So we can show everyone what's in the box. And you got your other setup here. So these are your propeller guards, guys. 3 batteries, the manual, and the wall charger. And now we come
with the case.
With the carrying case of the Mavic Mini. So let's start that off.
Opening it, zipping it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wow.
Here we are. Look at that, Jace.
Look at the camera.
DJI.
DJI.
So what is this? This is the charger.
Charger.
Let's see.
For the batteries.
Yeah.
For the batteries.
Yes, indeed. See? These are the batteries. That's correct. And then you put the slots in, and then you just charge it. So let's put that on the side. Okay. And this is the cable. It has a logo here. Whoa, it has a lot of cables. Okay. So each has its function, guys. Okay. Okay, so this is the USB. Okay. Probably matches for one of these.
Okay.
And this one, what is this? Oh, okay. So this is for the port of iPhone. Okay, so guys, you have your Mavic Mini instructions, the quick guide. You have the 360 propeller guards. Over here you have extra propeller for your drone. You got your tools, a pair of screws for the drone. You got your USB and the wall chargers. And also you have your batteries to install on the charger. And then you have your cables that goes with the remote control to whatever smartphones you have. And let me just show you how it looks. You open up, you put in your device in, you put in whatever cables, and then you work it out. And then you have the main DJI Mavic Mini. It's amazing, guys. How small, size of your hand. Could do a lot of job in the air. Amazing. And of course you have your lovely carrying case. Okay guys, so I'm going to explain to you the basic information of the Mavic Mini. So this is a 249 grams ultralight, which is great because you don't have to register to the FAA. It's a 30-minute max flight time, 4 kilometers HD video transmission. It also has a vision sensor plus GPS precise hover, 3-axis gimbal at 2.7K camera, which is between 1080p and 4K, and a simple recording and editing. So it's pretty amazing, guys. That's pretty cool. Dope here, right here. Mavic Mini shows right here. And of course the name of the company. Very amazing. And this thing comes off, of course. Amazing. 249 grams, that's less, that's half a pound. Nothing, guys. I can't wait to fly this baby up. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how to put the battery on the charger. So you just put this in. You're gonna hear like a little click. There you go. Easy as that. So now you have the old batteries in the charger. You're gonna plug this right here. It could be also used as a power bank, and of course you plug it in your charger to the wall, and these are the light indicators that will light up indicating that you are charging your batteries on the charger.
Wow, you can charge 3 batteries at the same time?
Yep, 3 at the same time. You don't have to go one by one, all at the same time. And there's another port where you could use as a power bank. And that's your on button right there. Okay guys, so we have the remote control here. I'm gonna use my iPhone.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
So I'm just gonna, it has like a grip on both sides, make sure.
This is kind of like similar.
And yeah, that's it. Now that it has your phone on this, you connect here to the remote and to your iPhone.
The iPhone we go.
Yep. Let me see.
There.
Now it's plugged in.
Plugged in.
And you have your antennas.
I can't see. I can't wait to see what this looks like.
And then your turn on button will be here. And as you can see the light indicator, that's how much battery it has. And of course, you download the DJI application here in order to function the remote. Okay guys, so I just want to let you know that the Mavic Mini did not come with the micro SD, so we had to purchase this separately. Make sure you get a nice, we got the SanDisk Extreme Plus. So on the back of the DJI drone, you just insert the memory card right here. Alright, so after that, you're just going to pop the lid on the bottom underneath the memory card. Just be careful with the wings and you'll see the battery. So we're gonna pull one battery and we're gonna show you guys how it's done. You slide this in, click it, make sure it's in, and then you close it. And this is how we're gonna spread the propellers. Open one at a time, nice and neat. And then on the bottom, you go down, you press down, and you'll see that pop out. Pretty cool, right, Jace?
It's really cool.
And then you pop
Well,
that.
actually, it's very cool.
Yeah, it's a little delicate, but now it's ready to fly whenever you're ready, guys. So that's how it's open. And go test it. This drone is now unfolded. One thing also, guys, is that you could also charge the drone directly. So you plug this in and you wall charge. So we're gonna study a little bit more later on. Obviously you have to connect it to the iPhone, to the DJI application, and we're gonna learn a little bit how to fly. And I hope you guys like the unboxing.
Okay guys, I hope you like this video.
Thank you for watching, guys, of our unboxing. And of course, next video we're going to show you more practices, experience how we use our DJI Mavic Mini drone. So thank you for watching. Jace, you can't wait to use it later on?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Alright, so we're going to show them next time how it looks up in the sky. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And
remember to like and subscribe
at NYC
Family TV.
See you guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.